Good afternoon, children. How are you? I hope you all must be fine. So, we are back with a new learning session. In the previous chapter, we have learned about Mr. Shah's family. Now, in chapter 7, we will learn about Mr. and Mrs. and the relationship in a family. Mr. Mr. is a title used to refer a man may be married or unmarried. By using Mr., we can call a man by addressing him with his last name, that is surname. I repeat, Mr. is a title used to refer a man may be married or unmarried. By using Mr., you can call a man by addressing him with his last name, that is surname. For example, Mr. Sharma, Mr. Modi, Mr. Kumar. Next, Mrs. refers to a married woman. By using Mrs., you can call a woman by addressing with her last name, that is surname. I repeat, Mrs. refers to a married woman. By using Mrs., you can call a woman by addressing with her last name, that is surname. For example, Mrs. Sharma, Mrs. Khan and Mrs. Das. Now, let us learn more about Mr. and Mrs. with the help of some examples. Here is a family of 4 people. The father and mother are Mr. Shah and Mrs. Shah. They have 2 children named Sunil and Seema. Now, let's learn more about Shah's family. So, your children, you can see the Shah family. Mr. Shah, Mrs. Shah, Sunil and Seema. So, in this family, Mr. Shah is their son and Seema is their daughter. Now, let's learn their relationship individually with the help of sentences. Now, here you can see the picture of Mr. Shah. He is Mr. Shah. He is Sunil's and Seema's father. Yes or no? Yes. Now, let us read the sentences. Mr. Shah is Sunil's father. Whose father? Sunil's father. Mr. Shah is Seema's father. Whose father? Seema's father. Okay, children, understood? Now, here you can see the picture of Mrs. Shah, right? Okay. Now, Mrs. Shah is Sunil's mother. Whose mother? Sunil's mother. Am I right? Yes. Mrs. Shah is Sunil's and Seema's mother. Whose mother? Sunil's and Seema mother. Now, let us read the sentences again. Mrs. Shah is Sunil's mother. Mrs. Shah is Seema's mother. Now, next we will learn about Sunil. So children, as we saw earlier, Sunil is son of Mr. Shah and Mrs. Shah. Let's read out the sentences separately. Here we come to know that Mr. Shah and Mrs. Shah are father and mother of Sunil. Now let us read the sentences. Sunil is Mr. Shah's son. Sunil is Mr. Shah's son. Next, Sunil is Mrs. Shah's son. Whose son? Mrs. Shah's son. Likewise, you can see the daughter of Mr. Shah and Mrs. Shah. Yes, here Mr. Shah and Mrs. Shah are also father and mother of Seema. Seema is Mr. Shah's daughter. Whose daughter? Mr. Shah's daughter. Seema is Mrs. Shah's daughter. Whose daughter? Mrs. Shah's daughter. Understood, children? Alright. Let us see some more examples. Now, you can see Das family. Here is Mr. Das, Mrs. Das, Rohan Das and Riya Das. Now, let's start making sentences. He is Mr. Das. He is the father of Rohan and Riya. Now, let us write the sentences. Mr. Das is Rohan's father. R O H A N apostrophe S. I repeat, Mr. Das is Rohan's father. Mr. Das is Riya's father. R I Y A apostrophe S. Riya's father. Children, understood? Next. See children, she is Mrs. Das, the mother of Rohan and Riya. Now, let us write the sentences. Mrs. Das is Rohan's mother. R O H A N apostrophe S. Mrs. Das is Rohan's mother. Mrs. Das is Riya's mother. R I Y A S. Mrs. Das is Riya's mother. Understood? Now, he is Rohan Das. Rohan is son of Mr. Das and Mrs. Das. Let us write. Rohan is Mr. Das' son. M R Mr. D A S apostrophe S. Rohan is Mr. Das' son. Rohan is Mrs. Das' son. M R S Mrs. Das. D A S S apostrophe S. Rohan is Mrs. Das' son. Understood? Now, she is Riya Das. She is the daughter of Mr. Das and Mrs. Das. Let us read and write. Riya is Mr. Das' daughter. M R Mr. Das. D A S apostrophe S. Riya is Mr. Das' daughter. Riya is Mrs. Das' daughter. M R S Mrs. Das. D A S apostrophe S. Understood? So, children, now you can see Roy family. Here is Mr. Roy, Mrs. Roy, Rahul Roy and Rosie Roy. Now, let's start making sentences. He is Mr. Roy. He is the father of Rahul and Rosie. Now, let us read and write the sentences. Mr. Roy is Rahul's father. R A H U L apostrophe S. Mr. Roy is Rahul's father. Mr. Roy is Rosie's father. R O S Y apostrophe S. Mr. Roy is Rosie's father. Children, have you understood? Next. She is Mrs. Roy, the mother of Rahul and Rosie. Now let us write the sentences. Mrs. Roy is Rahul's mother. R A H U L apostrophe S. Mrs. Roy is Rahul's mother. Mrs. Roy is Rosie's mother. R O S Y apostrophe S. Understood? Next. He is Rahul. Rahul is son of Mr. Roy and Mrs. Roy. Let us read and write. Rahul is Mr. Roy's son. M R Mr. Roy's. R O Y apostrophe S. Rahul is Mr. Roy's son. Whose son? Mr. Roy's. Rahul is Mrs. Roy's son. M R S Mrs. Roy's. R O Y apostrophe S. Got it, children? She is Rosie Roy. She is the daughter of Mr. Roy and Mrs. Roy. Okay, come on children, let's write. Rosie is Mr. Roy's daughter. M R Mr. Roy's. R O Y apostrophe S. Miss Rosie is Mr. Roy's daughter. Next. Rosie is Mrs. Roy's daughter. M R S Mrs. Roy's. R O Y apostrophe S. Rosie is Mrs. Roy's daughter. Got it? Now, let us talk about the which family. He is Mr. Which, Mrs. Which, Ravi Which and Tina Which. Now you can see the picture of Mr. Which. He is Mr. Which. Let us read. Mr. Which is Ravi's father. Mr. Which is Ravi's father. Mr. Which is Tina's father. Whose father? Ravi and Tina's father. Got it? Now you can see the picture of Mrs. Which. She is Mrs. Which. Mrs. Which is Ravi's mother. Whose mother? Ravi's mother. Now let us write. R A V I apostrophe S. Mrs. Which is Ravi's mother. Mrs. Which is Tina's mother. Whose mother? Tina's mother. T I N A apostrophe S. Children, got it? Next. Now you can see Ravi. He is Ravi Which. Ravi is Mr. Which's son. Whose son? Which's son. Ravi is Mrs. Which's son. I will write it down. M R S. Mrs. Which's. V I J apostrophe S. Understood, children? Next. Now you can see the daughter of Mr. Which and Mrs. Which. Tina is Mr. Which's daughter. I will write it down. M R. Mr. Which's. V I J apostrophe S. I repeat, Tina is Mr. Which's daughter. Tina is Mrs. Which's daughter. Whose daughter? Mrs. Which's daughter. Now here is Gill family. Mr. Gill, Mrs. Gill, Yash Gill and Vibha Gill. Now you can see the picture of Mr. Gill. He is Mr. Gill. Mr. Gill is Yash's father. Mr. Gill is Vibha's father. Whose father? Yash and Vibha's father. Got it? Now you can see the picture of Mrs. Gill. She is Mrs. Gill. Now we will read and write. Mrs. Gill is Yash's mother. I will write it down. Y A S H apostrophe S. Mrs. Gill is Yash's mother. Mrs. Gill is Vibha's mother. V I B H A apostrophe S. Mrs. Gill is Vibha's mother. Got it, children? Now you can see the picture of Yash Gill. Yash is Mr. Gill's son. Yash is Mrs. Gill's son. I will write it down. M R S. Mrs. Gill's. G I L L apostrophe S. Next. She is Vibha Gill. Vibha is Mr. Gill's daughter. Whose daughter? Mr. Gill's daughter. Let us write. M R Mr. Gill's. G I L L apostrophe S. Vibha is Mr. Gill's daughter. Vibha is Mrs. Gill's daughter. Whose daughter? Mrs. Gill's daughter. Now let us recap. Okay, come on children. Let's recap what we have learned today. Today we learned about Mr. and Mrs. and their children. I hope this was very interesting session for you. Happy learning. Thank you.